This 2021 Forest River Flagstaff MICRO-LITE 25 BHDS is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Sanger, Texas, 76266 and is offered for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV. This used Forest River is 25 feet 0 inches in length and features one slide-out, sleeps 8, water heater, TV, oven, skylight, LP detector, air conditioning, slide-out, Colorado detector, stovetop burner, refrigerator, and 52 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, bunkhouse, front bedroom, front living area, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen, rear bath, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Forest River Flagstaff MICRO-LITE 25 BHDS is 5,300 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by McClain's Longhorn RV, visit RVUSA.com.